Hello everybody, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia and today's video is actually going to be about my Wonder Wing eyeliner from Rimmel London. I'm doing this series where I talk about every single product on my face individually. So I actually did talk about a Rimmel powder, Stay Matte, if you want to check that out. However, why I'm mentioning this is because I realized that this is the second product from them that I have into this section of my series, and yeah, I'm very excited to share with you my thoughts on this liner. So this liner actually is very interesting. It's called Wonder Wing eyeliner because it has a stamp, and I think everybody's seen all over the internet this whole thing of stamping your eyeliner and then you know, making a winged line just like a pro but in a quick matter on the go. And I think this one is actually a goddamn good eyeliner. I remember a few bloggers and like YouTubers and influencers tried this and they were unimpressed, and I'm gonna sit here and tell you that I don't understand why. Like, the majority of them were very disappointed that you stamp it and it's not as crisp as a normal winged liner would be doing it from scratch. But I am here telling you that I think it's too much to expect from a liner to do that. Like, this does give you a wing liner to work on. Obviously, like as you're seeing right now while I'm doing it myself, you press the stamp onto your eye and then drag it with the felt tip of the brush in itself, and then drag it all the way to your lash line. It is, I've done this, I always do my wing liner in like 5 minutes on the go because it's that easy. I think the YouTubers I've seen complained about it, they were expecting it to be that crisp in a go, and I'm like, no, that is impossible. That's just unrealistic if you ask me. The realistic part is that the stamp works, you rectify it a bit, and then you're good to go. Instead of actually imagining your, thickness, this helps you out straightforward with your thickness, and I just love it so much. At the same time, I'm very lucky with my eyes. I don't have any kind of like, mine are not falling down, if that makes sense, my lid. I have pretty nice lids from a standpoint of making life easy when you do your makeup. Every single lid is beautiful. By the way, I'm just underlining the fact that I have a lid that is much more easier to work on, and that's why this actually works for me. This wing liner, you have no idea like how many I went through. I think this is my 5th or 6th one. I always repurchase this. This is not the blackest of them all, I'm just gonna say that, it's not, but for a on the go quick day makeup look, this is it for me. I love it. I always recommend it to anybody that comes to me and says, give me a good eyeliner. I'm like, on the go or something else? And if they say on the go, this is it. Wonder Wing eyeliner from Rimmel London. I remember I thought they're gonna take it out from the market, and I went crazy to buy 3 or 4, and yeah, I used them up. I think I have one more in my collection or 2. But yeah, this is such a dope wing liner. Like I said, I went through multiple of them and I'm still seeing myself reaching out to buy more. And that's pretty much it when it comes to this little guy. As you are watching more and more clips, if you can be asked to check out other clips I have over my YouTube channel, you will see, in generally speaking, when it comes to my tutorials, I always pretty much use that. So check out another clip from me. Like I said, I'm doing this series where I'm discussing one product only, so browse around, maybe you'll find something else that might be of any interest to you. Until that, I'll see you hopefully in the next one. Bye.